My friends, let me show you quickly the beauty that is Rockruepel COMP.TWO. Here we go. Here's the interface. Input, output, in the middle is unity. Threshold, no ratio. There's no ratio because of the way vari-mu compressors achieve gain reduction by the tube. So it's a fixed ratio, which makes things a lot easier. One less control to deal with, and still sounds bananas. Attack and release. Let me show you the basic MO of this. Basic MO is raise the threshold until you're happy. Check it out. Here's bass drum. Compensate for the loss of gain. That happened. If you listen to it raw, it literally changes sound a lot, which is natural since it was a human playing this, but you know, nature is behind us. So check this out with way more even. But I feel like it's still a little unsettled. So I'm going to slow the release down a little bit. Let's try 7. I like that a lot. And then slow the attack down a little bit. No, that wasn't as good. So let's go back to 5. So we started here. Easier would be painful. Here's a few extra tricks you can do. Let me show you on a different instrument. Let's go to the snare. Check it out raw with the plug-in bypass. Listen to the at the bottom. I'm going to turn the Rockruepel on with no compression. It gets rid of all that garbage in the low mids. It is magical. Check it out again without. It's like a swifter. It's nice. Threshold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slow the attack down so that I can get more transient through. I'm going to speed the release up so that I don't touch the rest of the sound. We started here. Very nice. With the bass drum. Now check this out, another Rockruepel trick and a Process.audio plugin trick all at once. I felt the need to go tweak the bass drum compressor right now. So I would have to switch to another plugin like this, and that's the bass drum compressor plugin, or to have both here, or I could use the phenomenal Rockruepel console. And now every single Rockruepel instance that is in my session is available here. So here's my snare and here's my kick. So if I want to change the kick, I can do it from here. It did need a little slower attack. So that's nice. Next, so you notice there's a dry wet knob here. It does what it's supposed to do. I'm going to jack up the threshold all the way. Let me get rid of the bass drum. So we started here. Obviously, it's silly crushed, but then a little more gain. we started with no Rockruepel whatsoever. It's nice. Let's look at the overhead. So on the overhead, what I already have a preset here, is I have the threshold on stun all the way up, and then I'm using the sidechain. This is the sound of it, flat. Obviously uneven, with, but without the sidechain. So that's clearly too much. I could use the mix knob, but here I like to just not let the bass drum drive the whole thing down by high passing the sidechain into the compressor. Without a sidechain. With. With everybody. If I bypass the Rockruepel on the overhead, it's cute. With. Saucy.